Listening to breath sounds is one of the most important skills for an EMT. Here's the procedure for listening to breath sounds. First, use the stethoscope. Tilt your earpieces in, making sure that you're on the large diaphragm of the bell. We'll listen to the breath sounds first to the mid-clavicular line. Ask your patient to take a normal breath. Listen, allow them to exhale. Compare it to the other side, to the mid-clavicular line. We'll come down just below the patient's breast. Compare it to the other side. And finally, mid-axillary line, high up on the side here. Take a breath and repeat it on the other side. You may also listen from a posterior side. Take a breath. Always comparing one side to the other. Finally, back to the mid-axillary line. Listen to every patient's breath sounds, whether good or not, to get used to it.